first time kong makatrabaho si Jonathan Manalo. Masyadong nervyos ako kasi ayoko mapapahiya sa kanya. Kasi syempre song niya yan, so kailangan ma-perfect ko yung kanta yun. At kung bigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon, makanta ko sa inyo para kayo ang unang makarinig ng song na ilalabas na this coming week sa Spotify, sa lahat ng mga social media platforms, at saka sa lahat ng radio stations. Okay?
Again, ladies and gentlemen, nandito lang ako by Mr. Jojo Mendrez. Palakpakan po natin.
Okay? So, para sa inyong lahat itong kanta ni Jonathan Manalo under Star Music, at ito ho ay maririnig yun na very soon sa lahat ng radio stations.
Mark Heras made a surprise appearance at musical artist Jojo Mendrez's recent media event. Shortly after the latter dismissed romantic rumors between them, the two have been the subject of online speculation over the past weeks after photos of them together at a casino went viral on social media. Adding to the intrigue, ABS-CBN News captured Mark's surprise appearance during Mendrez's signing with Star Music. After Jojo performed his latest track following the press conference, Mark suddenly appeared, approached the singer, and gave him a beso on the cheeks along with a bouquet of flowers. On the same event, Mendrez was previously asked about malicious rumors linking him to the starstruck alum. No comment. Pasensya na. Yan nga yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon eh. Yung video na lumabas na yan, napaka-malicious. Kaya nga sabi ng management, wag ko na sagutin. Kasi kahit sabihin ko na hindi, sasabihin ng tao ay oo. Kung sasabihin ko naman ay oo, sasabihin naman ng tao ay hindi. So saan ako lalagay? The musician said.